Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Beach Set is probably one of the most essential items for a perfect day at the beach. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of beach chair and umbrella sets, exploring various features, comparing different models, and helping you find the perfect set to match your needs and budget. Number 5. Best Choice Zero Gravity Lounge Chairs, Navy Blue. These chairs smoothly glide into an ergonomic zero-gravity position. The removable elastic cords adjust to your body's weight, providing ultimate comfort. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it easy to take anywhere. Bring it to the park, the beach, or any outdoor event. The removable tray has 2 cup holders, a phone holder, and a tablet holder. You'll always have your drinks and media devices within reach. The chair features a high, 250-pound weight capacity. It's made with flexible, low-wear textile fabric for lasting quality. It includes a removable, padded headrest for extra comfort. The open dimensions are 32.5-61 L, x 25 W, x 33.5-44 H, and it folds to 38 L, x 25 W, x 6 H. What we like? This chair offers a zero-gravity reclining experience, allowing you to fully relax and unwind. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it easy to carry to the beach or park. If you're looking for ultimate comfort and portability, this chair is a great choice. What people say. The umbrella is easy to set up and take down. The chair is lightweight and easy to carry. The set is compact and easy to store. Number 4. WGOS Beach Chair with Umbrella, 2-pack Orange. This low-back beach chair features a detachable umbrella. The included sand anchor keeps the umbrella secure. The chair is designed for comfort and convenience. The UPF 50+ umbrella protects you from the sun. It has padded armrests and a cup holder for your drinks. It comes with a carry bag for easy transport. The chair is made with durable Oxford 600D polyester fabric and a heavy-duty steel frame. It can hold up to 250 pounds. The chair and umbrella are lightweight and easy to fold. Setting up is simple. Unfold the chair and attach the umbrella. Cleaning is easy, just dust off the sand or wipe it down. It's designed to save space. The chair has extra thick padded armrests for comfort. The anti-slip feet prevent it from sinking into the sand. You can easily shake off any remaining sand. What we like? This beach chair comes with a built-in umbrella, providing instant shade and sun protection. The padded armrests enhance comfort, and the durable construction ensures longevity. If you like a chair with all-in-one convenience and sun protection, you should consider this. What people say. The umbrella is easy to set up and take down. The chair is lightweight and easy to carry. The set is compact and easy to store. Number 3. WGOS Folding Beach Chair with Umbrella and Cooler. This WGOS beach chair is an all-in-one solution for your outdoor relaxation. It comes with a folding chair, a detachable umbrella, a carry bag, and a sans insertion. It has everything you need for a perfect day at the beach. The chair features a high back design and cool mesh fabric to keep you comfortable. The seat is low to the ground, and the carry bag can be placed to the top zippered holder to get a headrest pillow. The chair includes a detachable, UV-coated tilting umbrella. The umbrella is 56 inches in diameter and adjustable in height. The sans insertion keeps the umbrella secure, even in windy conditions. It also has a built-in insulated cooler bag. You can store your drinks and snacks in this little refrigerator. It's perfect for keeping your refreshments cold on a hot day. The entire set weighs only about 10 pounds and is easy to carry. Everything folds up compactly into the carry bag, which has a shoulder strap for easy transport. You can take it anywhere. What we like? This chair features a high back design for added support and comfort, along with a built-in cooler bag to keep your drinks cold. The large umbrella provides ample shade. If you are looking for a chair that offers maximum shade and storage, this is the one for you. What people say. The umbrella is easy to set up and take down. The chair is lightweight and easy to carry. The set is compact and easy to store. Number 2. COSTWAY double folding camping chairs with umbrella. These folding chairs are designed for easy transport. You can quickly fold them up and store them in the included carrying bag. It weighs only 13 pounds when folded, perfect for your trunk. The removable umbrella provides shade from the sun or protection from light rain. The umbrella's height is adjustable, and it includes a sand anchor for easy setup. These chairs are made with waterproof 600D PVC Oxford cloth and a rust-proof steel frame, ideal for outdoor use. Each chair can hold up to 270 pounds, and the anti-slip foot pads add stability. Enjoy cold drinks with the built-in cooler bag. Cup holders are conveniently located on both sides, and a side pocket provides storage for books or newspapers. These portable and lightweight double folding chairs are perfect for camping, fishing, or picnics. Wherever you go, they provide a comfortable place to relax. What we like. This double chair is perfect for sharing with a friend or loved one, and it includes a detachable umbrella for shade. It also features a cooler bag and cup holders for added convenience. If you like to enjoy the beach with company, you should consider this. What people say. The chairs are wide and you have plenty of room. It has a small cooler for drinks or small snack items and also a small pouch in front for dog treats. It's well made, sturdy and easy to set up and use. It's comfortable to sit in and the umbrella is easily installed. Number 1. DOALBUN Double Folding Camping Chair. This double camping chair comes with a movable umbrella, protecting you from sun and rain. It allows you to enjoy your leisure time comfortably, whether it's sunny or rainy. Made with a steel frame and 600D Oxford fabric, this chair is built to last. Each seat can hold up to 250 pounds, and the double-layer fabric ensures breathability and comfort. This double-wide chair features adjustable armrests and insulated drink holders. It's perfect for outdoor activities, camping, and picnics, offering a comfortable and practical seating solution for two. It includes a thermal insulation bag to keep your drinks cold. There's also a 2-in-1 storage bag for magazines and phones, plus a cup holder on each armrest. This portable chair folds easily and weighs only 16 pounds. It's simple to store in your car's trunk, making it a convenient choice for any outdoor adventure. What we like. This double chair is equipped with a movable umbrella, offering shade and protection from the elements. It also features an insulated drink holder to keep your beverages cold. If you like to enjoy the beach with company and cold drinks, you should consider this. What people say. The umbrella is easy to set up and provides great shade. The chair is lightweight and easy to carry. The set is compact and easy to store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.